Okay, look what we have here. So we got in the mail list again and again. So I gotta say this again and again. It's delivered for about 2 months ago, I think. I haven't had a chance to unbox all these models. So I have here a brand new Tonal and Douglas from Mattel Australia. As you can see right here, Mattel Australia. These are Fisher Price. Some people call these fake ones, but anyways, these are brand new. These are produced for Fisher Price for Australia. Anyways, these were dated. Let me see. I think this is 2013. Let me see. I'm trying to find the date. Yeah, 2011, right there. 2011, made in China. Anyways, so I have these models. I wanted to paint them blue, light blue, as in the series. So if you've seen this video, probably it's been sold already because these models go too fast. So I haven't unboxed it, still sealed. But these are for the new customers, for probably someone who's gonna give away. I mean, give it to his or her son this coming Christmas. So it will be a really nice gift. So if you're interested, you place your order. The link is in the description. If you don't see it, it's because it's already sold, or you can find the link in our community tab. So this will be blue Donald and Douglas, brand new. I have here, as you can see on the clip, previously made another 3 sets, I think 3 sets. Yes, 3 sets of these brand new, because I buy and sell them new. You can get this in brand new on eBay for 120 bucks. So just to give you an idea how much they cost. But anyways, I like to make custom models. So this will be ready for the next couple of days. Will be a really nice Christmas gift for your son, for your kid, customized by custom Trackmasters.